in the club, all the polish showing up. Can you party?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a hot minute since I posted, and you will figure out why in this video. This is kind of just a get ready with me where I talk about where I've been the last month or so. So yeah, if you are interested in that, then just go ahead and keep on. Okay, so to prime, I'm going to use the vitamin enriched face base by Bobbi Brown. This is really good for the winter months because it keeps your skin hydrated. If you're like me, I get really dry in the winter time. This is my new favorite foundation, you guys. It's the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation, and this is life. I'm in the shade Linen, but I'm a little more tan right now. This will not be my winter shade. I'm gonna have to go pick up a new color. Oh, and I have no nails on right now. My nails look so ugly. Oh my gosh. My nails are so thin because I just keep getting acrylic nails over and over again, and so they look so bad. They're starting to like lift from the underneath. Yeah, it's gross. Okay, too much information. Really what I wanted to talk about in this video was why I've been gone. I just needed a break for myself, for my mental health. I was just going through it hard, you guys. There comes a point where you just have to get up and do what you gotta do. Foundation actually dries really fast, so you gotta work fast with this. But anyways, this whole last month that I was gone, I think half of it I was in bed sleeping every single day, all day. I wouldn't get out of bed till like 7 at night. It was really bad. I lost my appetite. I still really don't have my appetite back. I mean, it kind of came back. I thought it came back one day because I was able to eat 3 full meals. Gone again. I don't know what's going on. I should probably go to the doctor. This is really annoying. Like, I'll be hungry and I'll sit down to eat, and then I'm not hungry anymore. It's weird. The only time I can really eat, well, actually, the only time I can eat is when I smoke, and then I can eat the whole fucking pantry. I swear to God. I eat so much when I'm high. It's bad. I know a lot of people were commenting on my videos asking me when I was gonna come back, and then I got a few like negative comments about, you're a shady bitch, you always take breaks off of YouTube. But you guys, I'm a person too. I need my breaks too. I go through shit too. My mental health comes first to me, and if I feel like I need a break, then I'm gonna take a break. I wouldn't want to put any videos out that I feel aren't 100% me and I'm not 100% there. I start therapy on the 16th, so I'm really excited to just start therapy and see if it helps me. Why am I losing my voice right now? By the way, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. But yeah, I kind of felt like I lost myself there for a while. I was just so empty. I have never felt like that before, you guys. I've never felt empty inside, and it was just the weirdest thing. I'm back. I have really exciting content coming. Yeah, me and Chris have been talking just about video ideas for me and just doing things that make me happy, because at the end of the day, this is my channel, and if I'm not doing things that I actually want to do and that make me happy, then what's the point, you know? You guys, I don't think you know how grateful I am for Chris. He's one of the coolest, most down-to-earth people I have ever met. He's helped me more in these last weeks than a lot of people. He's just so positive and just wants to support me in everything I do. He's such a great friend, and I will forever be grateful for him. It's just really cool to have a guy friend like that, you know, because you guys know how guy friends are. I'm like talking so much that I keep forgetting to tell you guys what I'm doing. So I'm setting my face with the Mercier translucent powder. Mercier is coming to snatch wigs, okay? Their foundation is bomb, their powder is bomb, their new glow powder is bomb. I finally tried it. Okay, I'm gonna move on to bronzer, and I'm just gonna use the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. This is like my everyday makeup. Okay. I know a lot of people have been asking me to film an updated one of these. I've been getting so many comments on my Instagram. Where is my bronzing brush? Hello. So this is the T22 Makeup Shack brush, and this is the best brush for bronzer. It just gets right in there, you know? If you haven't been following me for a while and you don't keep up with me, is what I'm trying to say, you probably won't really care about a video like this. But Chris was talking to me and he was like, this would be a really good idea, like a video idea for your channel. And he's like, we'll sit down, I'll ask you questions about your life right now. What are my long-term goals, or what are my goals that I want to achieve in a year, or just like questions about my life. And then in a year we're gonna film again and he's gonna ask me the same exact questions, and we're gonna see if I reached my goals, if any of my outlooks on life changed and all that. I think it's gonna be really cool. And then we're gonna put the whole video together. Is this still recording? Is it? And then that's gonna be like a super cool personal video for my channel. Like I said, if you don't really keep up with me that much, then you're not probably gonna care about a video like that. But I thought that was like a really cool, unique idea. But I've been doing really good these past couple of days. I've been waking up kind of early, 11ish. That's early for me. The fact that I was waking up at 7 at night, that was so unhealthy. So I've been feeling really good. Now I'm going to take the Anastasia Blush Trio and I'm going to use Nectarine. And I'm just going to use the same brush because I don't know where my blush brush went. This is the best part, you guys. So I'm going to set my face. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea spray.
"2,000 years later."
So now I'm going to take the Maryloumanizer by the Balm, just to intensify the highlight a little bit. I'm going to take the Mercier Glow Powder. Okay, so I'm going to put my lashes on and then I'll be back for the lip. The lashes I am going to wear today are Miami by Lilly Lashes.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high. Would you fly with me? Change your mind on me.
Okay, so for my lips, I think I'm just going to put a gloss on, like a clear gloss, you know, because I'm not really feeling lipstick today. I'm literally dropping everything. The gloss I'm gonna wear is Cosmic by Mercier. By the way, this is not sponsored. I know I'm using a lot of Mercier stuff, but this is not sponsored. I actually never used it. Okay guys, this is the end of this makeup tutorial. After this, I will be uploading my regular Wednesday and Sunday schedule. So we're gonna get back on track and we're just gonna be pushing out content. Yeah, give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!